So when I first thought about this, I was talking to you about how frustrated I was with the situation, and part of it was that I just feel isolated. People will ask, hey, what's going on? Hey, do you have an update? Hey, this, hey, that. Just being reminded of it, it's turbulent enough, and it's kind of like being stuck in the middle of the ocean. And you're being flipped by the waves, and you're treading water, you're getting water in your nose, you're getting water in your lungs. It's hard. It's just hard. Just treading water and maintaining is hard. You feel helpless. You feel hopeless. It's almost like I just kind of want to stare up at the sky and look at the vastness of heaven instead of looking down into the situation and just getting mired in the water. Nobody understands that it's a struggle because everybody else is on a platform or a boat. I just need someone to see that I'm taking on water and it's hard to get my nose above it all. And it's easy to get mired down into that. But what's important to remember is that no man is an island. I am not alone in this ocean. All we know is that we have each other. And if that's the only thing that I can count on, then I'll hold on to it as long as I can.